Hi guys, and welcome to another video. I know I didn't vlog about 2 months now, and there's a reason for that. As you can see, I'm trying to do video in English, just because majority of you are asking for it. So I was thinking I should give it a try. So here it is. My English is not so good, so sorry for that, but I'm gonna try my best. Okay, so my last video was 2 months ago, and here's why. In the last video, in the beginning of the video, maybe you have noticed some weird noise coming from the car, from the engine exactly. And there's a reason for that. I've rebuilt engine head. Yes, I've noticed a few months ago that I was leaking oil pretty badly from the engine, but I didn't know where from exactly. I have some opinions and I suspected some things, but I wasn't sure. As time passed by, I noticed some weird noise coming from the engine. I thought it was water pump. Yes, it was water pump, but in the same time, timing of the engine was retarded. So you can hear valves and whole rotor assembly just making some weird noise. And okay, I decided to do something about it. So I don't have much experience with all this engine timing thing, so I didn't want to do that all by myself, because I was short with the time, because I'm using my 206 for daily driving and to go to work and things like that. So I decided to find a mechanic who can do this thing for me very good. And yeah, find a man, and he did the job for me, and he did the job very well. I will import some pictures of the work that he did and the picture that he taken along that work, so you can see what I'm talking about. In some pictures you can see the oil dripping from the bottom of the engine and from the side, because plastic protection for the timing belt was literally soaking with oil, and we assume that that is the reason for engine to retard timing. The timing belt was in oil, so we thought it maybe slipped the timing, and that's why you can hear the wells so loudly. So when he took off the timing belt and all the head, he saw that coolant eaten the head gasket. That's the reason why I was dripping the oil, because the seal wasn't so good. The oil actually just mixed with water and escaped through the head, through the head gasket. Here's some picture of that. He called me and he said that the head is in really bad condition and it needs to be done all over again in the CNC shop and things like that, to get it really clean and to get a new finish, and then assemble all new bolts, parts, O-rings and etc. So yes, I did that. He ordered all the parts that I needed to assemble it, and voila! Couple weeks later, it was assembled, and it's worked really great. I'm driving it now for the week or two, I think. Yes, and I don't know. For now, it works really fine. I don't see any weird noises besides intake and exhaust. I think I had some pretty little exhaust leak on the, not the headers, but on the middle part, like somewhere over here, but that's easy fix, so I'm gonna deal with that later. So yes, I just wanted to explain you guys what's going on, because a lot of you are asking where are the videos, what's going on, and I just needed to post some stories on the Instagram, just so you guys can see. So a couple of you probably already know what happened, and that I fixed the car and everything was just working all right. Thank you all guys for the worries and reaching out to me to see what's going on. That's it. I just wanted to update you about what's going on, and yeah, that's it. About the future projects, I don't really know what I'm going to do next, because things are right now, I basically did everything I wanted to this car, from the some small engine modifications to the suspensions, to the seats, to the interior, exterior. I don't know. I probably will not engine swap soon, because now this engine is in the best condition it can actually be. It's practically brand new. Actually, now I'm going in the car wash just to get my car washed because I haven't washed it. Actually, I have one time, and it's pretty dirty now, so I just want to wash it to get it clean, because it's a nice day, so why not? So thank you guys all for watching, and please subscribe if you didn't for now, by now, now, I don't know. So yes, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you all guys for watching my videos, sharing it, talking about it. It really means a lot. So I'm gonna try to do my best for updating you guys with everything new happening with my Peugeot, but as you can see, it's all fine for now. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, peace.